Bonjour, bonjour. This is the audio file for Lesson 1, Week 5, Semaine 5, leçon numéro 1, Week 5, Lesson 1. So far we have learned how to express ourselves in the affirmative manner. Je parle, I speak, je chante, I sing, je me coupe, I cut myself. And by affirmative, we simply mean that the sentences can take yes as a response. For example, oui je parle, yes I speak, oui je chante, yes I sing, oui je me coupe, yes I cut myself. But how do we turn these sentences into the negative form in French? How do we say, for example, that we do not do an action, that we never do an action, that we do not do an action yet, or that we do not do an action anymore, any longer? So this is what we are about to learn in this video. There are several ways to change an affirmative sentence into a negative one in French, depending on what you initially intend to express as a negation. Let's focus on the negation not, as in I am not William Shakespeare, or I do not have any money in my bank account. In French, not is translated by the expression ne pas. But you need to know how to insert properly ne pas in a sentence in order to change it into a negative one. And this is the formula that you see now on your screen. You have the subject plus ne plus the verb plus pas. So let's take that sentence again. I am not William Shakespeare. The subject here will be je for I. And then comes ne, je ne. And then comes the verb suis, je ne suis. And then comes pas, je ne suis pas William Shakespeare. You may hear sometimes in conversations people saying je ne suis pas instead of je ne suis pas. You see the difference? Je ne suis pas, je ne suis pas. These are two different ways of saying the same thing. So, well, it doesn't matter. You can say je ne suis pas or je ne suis pas. It's up to you, but it's the same thing. The second example was I do not have any money into my bank account. In French, it will be je n'ai pas d'argent dans mon compte en banque. Je n'ai pas d'argent dans mon compte en banque. And this is the same formula here. We have je as a subject plus an apostrophe this time, not ne. Why? Because the following verb begins with a vowel, and we need to make the liaison, the link between ne and e. So we will take away the e of ne and put this comma above, the apostrophe. So it will be je n'ai pas d'argent. So remember this, each time the verb begins with a vowel or an silent h, h muet. You should remove the e of ne and put the comma to join, to combine ne and the verb that comes after. Okay? Okay, so je n'ai pas d'argent dans mon compte en banque. Now, how do you say I am never William Shakespeare? I know this sentence might sound strange to you, but well, it's just an example, okay? And I'm showing how to use never. So, I am never William Shakespeare. The formula will be, again, subject plus ne plus verb plus jamais. Again, it will be je ne suis jamais William Shakespeare. It is the same thing as ne pas. All we did was replace pas with jamais. Je n'ai pas d'argent dans mon compte en banque. I do not have any money in my bank account will be je n'ai jamais d'argent dans mon compte en banque. I never have any money in my bank account. I never have any money in my bank account will be je n'ai jamais d'argent dans mon compte en banque. Again, we have the same formula here. The only thing we changed was jamais. We replaced pas with jamais. So, ne jamais for never. How do you say that you do not do something yet? or you haven't done something yet, actually. It will be ne pas encore. That will be the expression to learn. Ne pas encore. Same thing, you will have the subject plus the verb, the subject plus ne plus the verb plus pas encore. So it will be in the sentence, je ne suis pas encore William Shakespeare, which will be translated in English as I am not yet William Shakespeare. Je ne suis pas encore William Shakespeare. Now, how do you say that you do not do something anymore, any longer? It will be ne plus. Ne plus. I am no longer William Shakespeare, or I am not William Shakespeare any longer. In French, it is ne plus. Same formula. The subject, je, plus ne, plus the verb, plus plus. Alright? That was easy. So, remember, subject plus ne, plus pas, or plus, or jamais, or pas encore, plus the verb. This is the formula to express negative sentences in French. Well, that will be it. That was kind of easy, right? You just have to plug in the verbs and you're fine if you just use this formula, okay? You can still email me and leave me comments if you wish, and I will be glad to help if you have any questions. Thank you very much and au revoir, merci et à bientôt. Bye.